Hi everyone. Welcome back to Vocapic's channel. Today's video is all about action verbs. Action verbs are fun, easy, and super useful in everyday English. Let's learn them together.
I have a headache.
I have a headache.
I have a small apartment.
I have a small apartment.
I have the day off today.
I have the day off today.
I have enough money.
I have enough money.
I have big plans for the future.
I have big plans for the future.
I am from Germany.
I am from Germany.
I give my sister a gift.
I give my sister a gift.
I give the book to my father.
I give the book to my father.
I gave my homework to the teacher.
I gave my homework to the teacher.
I gave him my address.
I gave him my address.
I gave my brother my old bike.
I gave my brother my old bike.
I give you permission to go to the movies.
I give you permission to go to the movies.
I give you my heart. Please take care of it.
I give you my heart. Please take care of it.
I gave the waiter a good tip.
I gave the waiter a good tip.
I gave him a little gift.
I gave him a little gift.
I give you my promise to be on time.
I give you my promise to be on time.
I'll give you my cell phone.
I'll give you my cell phone.
I'll give him a chance.
I'll give him a chance.
I gave my homework to the teacher.
I gave my homework to the teacher.
I repair the broken chair.
I repair the broken chair.
I'm flying to New York tomorrow.
I'm flying to New York tomorrow.
I fold the laundry.
I fold the laundry.
I forgive my friend for his mistake.
I forgive my friend for his mistake.
I give my friend a present.
I give my friend a present.
I go to the gym in the evening.
I go to the gym in the evening.
I grate the cheese for the pizza.
I grate the cheese for the pizza.
I greet my neighbor in the morning.
I greet my neighbor in the morning.
I guess the answer to the question.
I guess the answer to the question.
I hate getting up early.
I hate getting up early.
I have a dog named Max.
I have a dog named Max.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well.
I'm doing well.
I'm doing well.
I am from Berlin, and you?
I am from Berlin, and you?
I am from Italy.
I am from Italy.
I am happy to see you.
I am happy to see you.
I am sorry.
I am sorry.
It is time to go to bed.
It is time to go to bed.
I'm desperate.
I'm desperate.
I have fallen in love.
I have fallen in love.
I'm afraid.
I'm afraid.
I'm afraid of the dog.
I'm afraid of the dog.
I'm afraid of snakes.
I'm afraid of snakes.
I'm shy.
I'm shy.
I'm married.
I'm married.
I'm single.
I'm single.
I'm very satisfied.
I'm very satisfied.
I have a small child.
I have a small child.
I am tired and hot.
I am tired and hot.
I can't sleep well.
I can't sleep well.
I'm very hungry.
I'm very hungry.
I was bored with work.
I was bored with work.
I have to wear an elegant dress tonight.
I have to wear an elegant dress tonight.
I'm going to sleep.
I'm going to sleep.
I'm shocked.
I'm shocked.
I drive this road every day.
I drive this road every day.
I hear a strange noise.
I hear a strange noise.
I help my brother with his homework.
I help my brother with his homework.
I hide behind the door.
I hide behind the door.
I hold my baby in my arms.
I hold my baby in my arms.
I hop on one leg.
I hop on one leg.
I hunt for treasures.
I hunt for treasures.
I turn the TV up loud.
I turn the TV up loud.
I kill the beetle.
I kill the beetle.
I am knitting a scarf.
I am knitting a scarf.
I know the answer to the question.
I know the answer to the question.
I put the blanket on the bed.
I put the blanket on the bed.
I lean against the wall.
I lean against the wall.
I learn something new every day.
I learn something new every day.
I let my brother use my computer. I lie down on the couch.
I let my brother use my computer.
I lift the heavy box.
I lie down on the couch.
I like chocolate ice cream.
I lift the heavy box.
I listen to music while I study.
I like chocolate ice cream.
I look at the stars at night.
I listen to music while I study.
I highlight the important points in the book.
I look at the stars at night.
I'm marrying my best friend.
I highlight the important points in the book. I'm marrying my best friend.
I melt the butter in the pan.
I melt the butter in the pan.
I order a pizza for dinner.
I order a pizza for dinner.